Good day everyone! For today's video, Jeren! Ayan, naka-mobility scooter ako guys. Free lang yan sa Westfield Mall here in London. O diba, napaka-high-tech talaga dito. At syempre guys, ayan na si Ate Java. Ayan, konting shopping lang. Syempre guys, hindi natin sasayangin ng araw. Sunny day here in London.
Oh, yes.
Kaya magdodora muna kami. Kakain, konting shopping para kay Baby Kai, kung anik-anik pa. Tara, samahan nyo kami!
The left one is to reverse and the right one is to move forward. This one is to adjust your speed and this is to sound the horn in case you need people to move out your way. But those are the most important.
For the brakes,
Yeah. We don't really have a brake. Just let go.
the speed let go.
Yeah, so just let go if you want to stop. Yeah.
Thank you,
No worries. Have a good day.
Hi guys! Nagkaroon na ako nito guys, oh. Mobility scooter. Ayan. So very nice kasi free lang siya. So magde-deposit lang ng 10 pounds din. Return din yung money later pag sinoli mo. Very convenient sa ganitong sitwasyon. Tara, let's shopping na! Guys, yan. So mag-lunch muna kami dito. We are in Westfield. Ayan guys, so ayan ang aming in-order. Taiwanese. Wow! And ayan, Korean chicken. And we do have this, another chicken. Puro chicken. Yan. Kain tayo. Then after, very light na shopping lang tayo. Kain. Ay, sa tibabaw. Guys, nag-crave ako ng sabaw, kaya yan. Meron tayong po, Vietnamese. Favorite ko kasi talaga to, kaya hindi pwede hindi kakain ito. Tara, let's kain. Sabaw pa din. Sarap. Dito muna sa Timberland. May check lang ako. Baka meron yung gusto kong flats ba? Yan. Para kay Kai. Para sa shoes niya ng antay dito. Pang niya, playground. Tignan niya natin, are they the same? Ay, oo. Size na ni Kaito na ba? Ayan natin wait lang. Parang mas malaki to, no? Thank you. Ayan na. Let's see. Ayan na talaga. Oh, very nice. So, Kai got 3. Ayan. And so let's gonna pay. Let's go. Sana tayo ba? Ayan, gusto ni kayo ngayon ng Mickey Mouse. What size is that? 3 to 4? Ganitong size na o 2 to 3 na lang? 3 to 4 na lang? Tingnan mo. Saka may Super Mario kung 2 na lang. 2 to 3 kasi malaking size. British size. Okay. Tapos, yung mga iba pang let's check yung other one. Hi guys! So nandito na kami sa bus. Pagoda versus Sampel. Ayun guys, so namili kami kanina fresh. Ngayon Hagardo versus wala na list. Pero much better syempre. Ang pinaka-important nakapag-shopping. Ayan si Baby guys, so good boy naman doon. At marami din ako nabili syempre para sa aking bulilit. Ayan guys, so bukas is another day and still sunny day here in London. Ayan guys, may mga kayak-kayak. Thank you for watching. Bye!